All right, first off, this video you're about to see is completely AI. When I first watched it, I thought it was kind of interesting, and then I found out that the entire channel is just AI generated content. However, it does raise some interesting hypotheticals with drones, so I wanted to cover it.
The city used a drone to look into a homeowner's backyard. Days later, he got a citation in his mail. But what the judge said about airspace drew a firm legal line.
Okay, so here's the situation. An inspector flies a drone over someone's backyard to see if they're violating some kind of city or neighborhood rule.
Your Honor, no inspector ever came onto my property. I didn't receive a warning or a knock at the door. A week later, I got a citation in the mail. It included photos taken from above my backyard. When I called the city, they told me a drone captured everything. I was never notified that aerial
All right, the homeowner mentioned that they were not contacted beforehand. There was no warning, no warrant. They just flew a drone over and took some photos and then mailed them a few days later to the homeowner.
Your Honor, the city uses aerial tools to identify visible violations. The drone remained in public airspace at all times. No fences were crossed and no structures were entered. The footage showed conditions that appeared non-compliant. The citation was issued based on that documentation. That's it.
So the part about airspace is mostly true. If they had airspace authorization and were flying legally, then from an FAA standpoint, the flight itself could absolutely be legal. Private property does not mean private airspace. The FAA controls the airspace. So if the drone did stay above the fence line or above the trees, and it looks like it did here, then that part is completely fine. One thing he did mention is that the city uses aerial tools to identify visible violations. This part can be true sometimes. There are certain real cities that do use aerial imagery and drones to look for things like zoning violations, illegal construction, things like that. But it's tricky when it gets into someone's private backyard. And because this case is inside a private residential area, it seems like they're specifically investigating one home. And with that, there becomes problems. So in this case, they weren't just flying a drone, they were investigating. And that's where a privacy law would kick in, like the Fourth Amendment. It protects against unreasonable searches. So this could come into play if they count this as a search.
Public airspace is not a blank check. Targeted surveillance of a private backyard raises constitutional concerns, especially when there's no notice, no warrant, and no prior inspection. Technology does not erase the expectation of privacy.
All of that makes sense. Again, like we established, the drone was not just flying, they were specifically searching. And for that, you usually need a warrant, especially in residential areas. And in some states like Florida and Texas, you actually have laws that straight up require warrants for law enforcement drone surveillance, with some limited exceptions. But even if the flight was FAA legal, the use of the drone was probably not legal. So in this scenario, there was no warrant, there was no notice, and it didn't seem like it was an emergency. So they were just surveilling a private backyard, which overall probably makes this illegal. Again, this entire situation is AI, but if this were to come up in the real world, this would definitely face some privacy concerns. So please don't do this. Follow us for more drone safety breakdowns and tips.